Hey guys, so there's a different way for you to schedule an email in Outlook, and it depends on what platform you're using. So whether if you use a application, then it's a different process. Now, if you use a web version, it's also a different process. But we will cover that in this video. Right? So I'll show with you first the app version, okay? So to send later or to schedule an email into your Outlook, simply click the new email, and then you click this options, and then, okay, let's say I'm gonna put an email for, okay, and then put test email. Now, if you want this to be sent later or on a specific time or date, simply click this delay delivery, and then you choose here like when do you want that to be sent. Okay, so if you want it to be sent maybe later, let's say 7 p.m. in the evening, so you just need to set the schedule there, then click OK, and then click the send. Okay, sorry about that. So now let's jump into the web version. The web version is super easy versus on the app. So I would suggest if you do email scheduling, I suggest to use the web version versus this app version. Okay.
Learn World is always my recommendation to my clients every time they want to create an online courses. You can use the link below to get a 30 days free trial and see if Learn World is fit for you. I also have tutorials about Learn World, so check out my description, or I'm gonna put it in here to see some of my tutorials in Learn World. I tell you, there's a lot of features in Learn World that could be really helpful for your marketing strategy. Let's get back to the tutorial.
So go to the outlook.office.com, and then you click this new message in here. And underneath, when you write an email, you can see this drop down over here, and then there is an option for you to send later. Kind of easier versus on the app version. Now I might be missing something on the app version. There might be a simpler way. I'll try to figure it out and come up with a article version on this for you to keep you updated on the new process.